Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Hi guys, so I'm back with a fun challenge and this time I'm taking it all alone. So this challenge is called the No Blending Makeup Challenge and it is pretty traumatic. Just to think of putting on a product and not blending it is just so nerve-wracking for me, but I'm actually looking forward to see how well I do in this challenge or how poorly I perform. So without any further ado, let's begin. So my face is already prepped with moisturizer because I didn't want to take a risk there, but I'll start how I start with concealer. So I'm gonna take as little of the product as I possibly can, and I think my strategy with putting on concealer is going to be just like put it on like with swipes, horizontal swipes, and we'll just see how that goes. Oh my god. This is how it looks right now and that's how my entire face is going to look. So time for the under eye. God only knows how it's going to look. I feel like I'm chopping like vegetables or some sort of meat on my face like this. Time to move on to the foundation, and I don't have a strategy for this. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I think I'm just gonna put some on like my fingertips and just go like this to just put as much product as possible. Oh my god. Why do I do this to myself? You are also going to waste a lot of product in the entire process, so good luck with that. Oh wow, don't I look beautiful, guys? I think I'm gonna do it like this. Nahi. Nahi. I'm gonna slather it on like this. Oh god. I have lines. One line has the foundation, the other doesn't, then another line that has foundation. Pretty? Okay, nose I can do. And now it's time to move on to powder. God knows how that's gonna be. So I do have a brush for powder for sure. But again, I cannot blend. So I just need to take some, swipe, take some more and then swipe. I look white. Oh my god. I've never looked this cakey in my entire life. So this is the finished base makeup. Let's move on to brows. Okay, so brows, again, I have a strategy with this. I have a brow pencil. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make lines, straight lines, and see if I can just put them in like the correct shape. And I generally go ahead with the spoolie and just blend it all out, but that's not happening today. Oh wow, I overextended this line by mistake and I don't know if I can like remove it. And that is it. These are my brows for today. What do you guys think? We could make a trend out of this probably. So for my eyeshadow, today I'm going to use a lipstick, and I actually have been using this lipstick for quite some time now. So it's a very nude peachish color and I really like how it looks on my eyes. I can tell by the first swipe that this was not a good idea. I'm also going to put some on the crease because why not? But really make a look out of this. I don't mind it actually. This is the finished eyeshadow look and I think it's not that bad. I mean, if you look at it from like a distance, like a really far off distance, I think it looks decent. Now is eyeliner time and I am so thankful for that. So I'm not going to attempt a wing today and I just want to play it really safe for now. Here is my famous eyeliner look, guys. So pink eyeshadow and troubled eyeliner is the trend you should go for. So this is the part that needs to be blended the most, and that is sculpting your face. I'm going to contour, I'm going to put blush and highlighter. Highlighter I think should be fine. Baki contour and blush, we'll have to see. I'm just going to go ahead and put a lot of blush just to cover up this mess that I've created. Yeah, that's all I get. One swipe each. I think this is doable. I don't look, okay, I do look crazy, I can't lie. Highlighter, okay. Since I can't blend, I'm just gonna dab it on everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead with the liquid lip and I'm gonna try and do it like at once. So I'm not gonna do this to blend my lipstick properly. The upper lip we're gonna do in 2 bits. So this is the finished makeup look. I really think that I don't look as horrible as I thought I would, but it's actually for you guys to decide. So let me know what you think about it in the comment section below and show me pictures if you take up this challenge too. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty. Also, check out the POPxo shop. We have some really cool stuff out there. We have laptop sleeves, cushion covers, notebooks and mugs, and a lot many other things. So just click on the link in the description box below to check that out. And I'll see you next time.